Are you looking for one of the easiest ways to earn money online in 2024? Well, look no further, because I've got just the method for you. The best part? You don't need to sell anything, set up a website, or even have a massive following on social media. It's all about sharing a simple link. Intrigued? Let me walk you through it. Welcome back to my channel, Ween Boy, where I delve into the world of making money online, useful websites and tools, and how to tutorials for digital creators. If you're keen on learning more about these topics, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now, on to the method itself. We're going to leverage a platform called shrinkme.io, which is essentially a link shortener. Every time someone clicks on the link you share, you earn money. Simple as that. Sign up is free, and once you're logged in, you'll be ready to go. But wait, how do we attract people to click on our links? That's where engaging content comes into play. We'll be sharing captivating articles from sites like Listverse. These articles, often with intriguing titles like 10 terrifying things people found in their basements, draw readers in. Once we've selected an article, we create a shortened link for it using shrinkme.io. Next, we enhance the article's appeal by designing eye-catching visuals using Canva. We'll overlay the article's title onto these visuals to grab even more attention. Now comes the fun part, sharing our content. We'll utilize platforms like Imgur to reach potential readers. By crafting compelling titles and descriptions, along with our shortened links, we entice users to click through to the articles. But wait, there's more. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even write your own articles for Listverse. If accepted, you'll earn $100 per published piece. Plus, you can continue driving traffic to your articles using the same method. Consistency is key in this strategy. The more you post and engage with these platforms, the more money you stand to make. So, if you're ready to start earning with minimal effort, give this method a try. And that's the gist of it. If you're interested in diving deeper into high-ticket affiliate marketing or want more tips on driving traffic, consider subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.